Welcome to our International Student Brief. Today, we've got some exciting updates for you. First up, a quick travel tip. Did you know that relying only on your credit card abroad might leave you in a pinch? A recent survey shows 39% of UK travelers face unexpected costs that only cash can fix, like tipping or small shop purchases. So, packing a little local currency can save you from extra ATM fees and awkward moments. Next, let's talk about the US and its international students. President Donald Trump recently defended policies on Chinese students and H-1B visas, emphasizing their vital role in the economy and education. Despite some restrictions, he highlighted the importance of foreign talent, especially from China, for U.S. universities and industries. The number of Chinese students in the U.S. has dipped since 2018 to 2019, partly due to COVID-19, but the debate continues. And finally, a big shout out to Oregon. More high school students are taking AP exams than ever before, a 70% jump since 2021. Nearly 22,000 students sat for over 37,000 exams in 2025, with most earning college credit. Initiatives like Measure 98 have made AP classes more accessible, and Black students are participating more than ever. This trend shows Oregon students are becoming more college-ready than ever. Please continue to watch for more detailed stories. The Independent highlights the importance of financial preparedness for travelers, emphasizing that relying solely on card payments can lead to unexpected expenses. According to recent research, over a third of travelers have encountered situations where cash was essential, such as tipping, taxi fares, or shopping at small local shops. The report warns that emergency ATM withdrawals often come with fees, and airport exchange desks may offer less favorable rates, especially outside major cities where card acceptance can be limited. Amelia Murray, a financial expert, advises travelers to carry a small cash cushion and understand their card's fee policies and coverage, especially in case of theft or loss, to avoid costly surprises during their trips. In the realm of U.S. immigration and education policy, Donald Trump defends his stance on international students and skilled worker visas amidst controversy. During interviews, he argued that having international student enrollment would devastate America's university system, which relies heavily on foreign students, particularly from China. Trump also emphasized the economic value these students bring, describing their contribution as trillions of dollars. He defended the H-1B visa program, asserting the necessity of skilled foreign workers to fill talent gaps, citing recent immigration raids as evidence of the need for such talent. Despite his assertions, recent policies aimed at restricting Chinese students and increasing visa fees have sparked protests and backlash, revealing the complex balancing act between economic interests and national security concerns. In Oregon, a significant increase in high school students taking advanced placement exams signals a positive shift toward college readiness. The College Board reports a 70% rise in AP participation since 2021, with more students earning scores that qualify for college credit, potentially saving families hundreds of dollars in tuition. Initiatives like Measure 98 and the High School Success Initiative have expanded access to AP courses, especially for underrepresented groups such as Black and Hispanic students, whose participation and success rates have grown notably. However, disparities remain, as Oregon still lags behind national participation rates among these groups, highlighting ongoing challenges in achieving equity in advanced academic opportunities. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.